Hey, what's up, XRP holders? So what's going on? Today I will tell you in this video to what's our target and how is it we make this target. Absolutely, this is very important for everyone to understand what's our new target and they cross it or not. So my friend, I explain you this chart to what's going on in upcoming days. They going up or they going down, and our target is high or our target is low. So let's get start the price prediction. I request you, my brother, please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. I hope you subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscription. Please like this video also if you need this type more informative video. My friends, this time if you can see here, XRP as the highest jump is here. This is the highest point of last 24 hours. You can see here, my friends, but our target is this time 1.5 US dollar. Exactly 1.5 US dollar is our target. 1.55. This is exactly our target, my friends. They can easily cross it. I hope you can see here, but this time they go a negative 1.4%. They go negative, my friend, in the current situation. You can see here on the screen, my friends. But if you can see here, after very bad falls they gone up. You can see here, after bad fall they cross it resistance line. When they cross it resistance line, then exactly they can cross it just in a 2 or 3 hour our target. So I hope they can hit it easily. So this is our current target, my friend, 1.5 US dollar. I hope they can hit it. Thank you so much, my brother. Please, for latest news and updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel. XRP holder, keep touch with us. Thanks for subscription. Thanks for like.